Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Now let's see a home remedy for anti-aging that removes the wrinkles and slow downs the aging process and keeps the skin younger and beautiful. So here for this natural remedy we are taking flax seeds and rose water. Pure rose water will be very fine for this, for giving a good result for the skin. And here a simple ingredient which we are using is flax seeds, but this has a very beautiful effects on the skin as it tightens the skin, it removes the wrinkles and keeps the skin younger and delays the aging process and softens the skin and gives the good glow and smoothness to the skin. As well, it also repairs the skin and enhances the skin, and it also maintains the pH balance. This rose water maintains the pH balance, and the flax seeds will help you in giving the skin good and brighter effect. So, take this flax seeds now and just soak it in a water for about 20 to 30 minutes, and by doing that process we will get a gel which we are going to use in this process. So, take a bowl and I have soaked the flax seeds. So, through that we will get a gel. Just gently remove the gel of the flax seeds. After soaking it, we will get a thick gel of it, which is very useful for the skin, and also it is useful for the hair as well. When you apply this flax seeds gel to your hair, it makes the hair smoother and keeps the hair very frizz free. So, take out the gel like this, then add some aloe vera gel to it for about half a teaspoon, and also add this rose water, which is very important. Give it a good mix. Now the serum is ready. You can prepare this and you can store it in a small bottle or a small container. Instead of using those costlier and chemical filled products onto your skin, use this natural remedies which gives the skin very nice effect and also doesn't give any side effects to your skin as well. So, prepare this serum and you can store it in a bottle or a small jar or a container and store it on a normal room temperature. Don't expose it more to the heat. So, after preparing this serum, apply it onto your face every day at the night time, and then next day morning you can wash it over. So, this serum uses as an like anti-aging serum and keeps the skin wrinkles free, and it delays the aging process, and also it helps you in giving the skin a very nice and smoother texture and keeps the skin glower and glassier, and also it removes the fine lines and puffiness of the eyes and the wrinkles over the eyes or the mouth or the forehead, and also it helps you in keeping the skin tighter and younger.